Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, tap on the dialer, then 3 bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on contacts. Find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it, and then scroll all the way down. Now let's tap on block numbers, and here your device is informing you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number, so just tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just blocked the contact. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, so unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. Now we will enter the blacklist, and to do that, we have to come back to this dialer section, let's say, tap on the 3 bars icon again and go to the settings. Here, let's tap on blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. And here we can tap on add a number and enter it manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. Here at the top we've got the option unknown, so we can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and you can decide whether you'd like to block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can also unblock the number just by tapping on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.